The benefits of PrimeOS, it's optimization of keyboard. As you can see, I'm using different keys. Do you want to have an operating system on which you could run Android games? Hello everybody, you are on AndriyTech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install stable version of PrimeOS on your hard drive. On my channel, I already made a video where I show you how to run PrimeOS on Android 11 from your USB drive. But this is not stable version. In my hand, I have Western Digital Black hard drive. I just don't have free SSD to install it in my laptop, so today I will use this hard drive. How I previously said, there are a lot of custom operating systems that could run Android games, but most of them just not optimized to play game using keyboard. I also tried to install the latest version of PrimeOS on my hard drive, but it simply doesn't run. So I could not recommend to install PrimeOS, the latest version, on your hard drive. Before this video starts, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's get into it. For the beginning, we need to open our browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Then we need to write next Rufus. Press enter. After that, you will see this text. On this page, you may see Rufus official website. This program will help us to install PrimeOS on our USB stick. Here you can see downloads. Click on it. In this window, we able to choose a version of the program. But to be honest, it doesn't matter which version you will download. For the example, I will choose latest portable version. That means the program will run as portable application. Click here and wait until it download. Downloading process. After we download Rufus, we need to open a new page and then write next PrimeOS and press enter. After that, you will see this website, PrimeOS. We need to click on it. This is PrimeOS official website. As you can see, PrimeOS have good compatibility with a lot of popular and interesting games. Also, you will be able to play games on your keyboard. So you have a lot of options. So now we just need to click here, download. So guys, now please pay attention and repeat after me. Here we need to select x86. Here we need to select this version. This is the stable version of PrimeOS, and also we will be able to install it on our hard drive. Because I also tried to install this version on my hard drive and it was unsuccessful. So I could not recommend installing the latest version on your hard disk. Probably I can't do this. So click here. After that, select ISO file and click download now. Now we need to wait until the loading process will begin. Now we need to wait until ISO file will be downloaded on our laptop or computer. After that, I will show you the next thing what you need to do to install it on your USB stick. So guys, after we downloaded Rufus and PrimeOS, we need to connect our USB stick to our laptop or computer. So right now I will connect my USB drive. So I already connect my USB stick and now I need to run Rufus. Click on it. After that, you may see this message to update Rufus to the latest version. I don't need this, I just click no. So guys, we already running Rufus. So in this case, we can see our USB drive. Don't mind if you see this message PrimeOS, because previously I also installed PrimeOS on the same USB stick. And now we need to select our ISO file. Click here. After that, you need to select ISO file that you previously downloaded from the PrimeOS website. Click here, open. After that, we don't need to change anything. Just click start. So all information and all the files will be deleted. How I always say, it's not the top secret information. Right now we need to wait until Rufus will delete all files. After that, install PrimeOS on a USB drive. After that, I will show you the next step, how to install PrimeOS on your hard drive. So friends, we already installed PrimeOS on our USB drive. I recommend to close this window and safely remove your USB drive. Click here. So now you can remove your flash drive. Now I need to turn off my laptop and then we can install PrimeOS. Now I need to remove my SSD drive and install this Western Digital Black hard drive. This is my laptop Dell E6440. So guys, I'm doing this because I have a lot of important information on this SSD drive. So guys, now we need to insert our USB drive to the laptop. After that, turn on the laptop and go to the BIOS. In my case, I need to press F2. I have a specific BIOS because this is Dell Latitude laptop. In my case, I need to select General. After that, I will have option to choose boot sequence, and in this window I need to put my USB drive at the first place. So I select my USB storage device, click here up, apply all the changes and click exit. After that the laptop will restart and then we can install PrimeOS on our hard drive. So guys, very important window. We need to press down and need to select advanced options. Click enter and now you need to select this option. Press enter. Now you just need to wait. So in this window we need to select our hard drive. So here you can see our USB stick and this is my Western Digital Black hard drive. So also you need to understand that all information will be deleted from your hard drive. Press enter. In this window you need to select yes. Press enter. So guys, right now we just need to wait until PrimeOS will be installed on our hard drive. You may see this window. Press down and select reboot. Enter. So the system will reboot and now we need to go to the BIOS second time to change priorities. We need to repeat the process, but now we need to put our hard drive at the first place because PrimeOS already installed on our hard drive. Apply all the changes and click exit. If you see this message, you need to press enter. Press enter. Here you need to select PrimeOS, but if you don't select, it will automatically be chosen. So we see the PrimeOS logo. Right now we're running PrimeOS from our hard drive. Okay, we are in the PrimeOS. Click here. In this window you need to select your country, your location, your city. I select a random city, random country. I will select anything just to go to the next stage. Then click next. Scroll down a little bit and click accept. Click here. Hi, welcome to PrimeOS. Setting up your apps. Getting PrimeOS ready, so we just need to wait until PrimeOS loads to the final stage. Oh, and now we can see our desktop. You may see Play Store, Chrome browser, and here you can also see that we have settings, photos, YouTube, but today we will focus on the games from the Play Store. So guys, before we click on our Play Store, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Click here and you may see Wi-Fi. Click on it. So I will connect to my Wi-Fi. I already connect to my internet and now I can go to the Play Store. Click on it. You need to click only one time, not like in the Windows. After that, you need to sign to your account. You will be able to install and play games. Also, you can install some important apps. So guys, after you sign to your Google account, you will be able to use Play Store. Click on it. Now you may install some games and apps as you wish. For the example, I will install Asphalt 9. Click on it. So you can see Asphalt 9 Legends. Click install. Now we need to wait until the game will be installed on our laptop or computer. So guys, as you can see, I already installed Asphalt 9 on my laptop Dell E6440. So we can close this window and now we can see Asphalt 9 on our desktop. Click on it. In this window we have some options. For the example, we can see how many CPU and RAM our system using right now. And here we can see how many space do we have. This is our Western Digital Black hard drive. If we click performance, we will get the best performance in the game and the highest FPS. But the quality of the graphic will be not at the highest level. After that, we can click on play. I'm running Asphalt 9 on my Dell E6440 laptop. Now we need to go to the settings, game settings, and here we can select controls. In this window we have option to select keyboard. Click here. So guys, if we select this option, we will be able to press some keys and sometimes we will need to click on the screen. And if we select this option, we will get opportunity to use only keyboard. Also, you can see which key you can use. Okay. Here we also see the full instruction, which key we need to press. Click next. Okay. Let's go into it. So the game is quite tough for my laptop. You may see some freezes, some lags. To be honest, if you have a newer machine, I think you will be able to get more FPS and more stable gameplay. This game runs not smoothly on this laptop, probably because this game have high system requirements. So I will install another game from the Google Play Store. For the example, let's install this game. This is 2D platformer. Click install. So friends, as you can see, I'm running the second game, 2D platformer. It runs without any problem and the compatibility is perfect. I use a lot of options and each of keys work without any problem. The benefits of PrimeOS, it's optimization of keyboard. As you can see, I'm using different keys and all of them work without any problem. Previously, I installed Stickman when I running this operating system from my USB drive, and as you remember, I could not play game on the keyboard. But with this game, I don't have any problem. So the first game, Asphalt 9, works with logs, but this game is quite easier. It is very simple because it has low system requirements. So guys, I think it will be more than enough. If this video was useful for you, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Also, on my channel, I have a lot of interesting videos. Write me in the comments, what do you think about PrimeOS? Goodbye everyone, see you soon.